Hello students, today we are going to learn the lesson that is 3 questions. So before starting the lesson, we will see what is given in before you read. A king has 3 questions and he is seeking answers to them. What are the questions? Does the king get what he wants? So we will find out the answers of these 3 questions. So students, please concentrate on first paragraph. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. These 3 things were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? Now, students, you can see that king wants the answer of these 3 questions. So, we will see that what happens in the next paragraph. The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom. See here, messenger means who gives the message, that is known as a messengers, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answer his questions differently. It means king is not at all satisfied with the answers of these wise men. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures. So, here the meaning of pleasure means happiness, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet, others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. So, students, here the meaning of council is a group of people chosen to give advice or to make rules. That is known as a council. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action. Students, here the wise men gave different advices to the king. Now we will see the next paragraph. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king therefore would have to go to magicians. So, all these answers were given by wise men for the first question. Now, we will see the answers were given by wise men for the second question. Now, please concentrate on the next paragraph. In their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Others said the priest. A few others chose the doctors, and 8 others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. For the second question's answers, the people most necessary to the king were counselors, priests, doctors, and soldiers. But here, the king is not at all satisfied with the answers of the wise men. Now, we will see the answers of third question. To the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and 8 others religious worship. So, as the answer to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. So, no any wise man got the reward. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. Now, students, see the meaning of hermit: a person who lives alone and leads a simple life. As the king is not at all satisfied, he decided to meet the hermit. Now please concentrate on the next paragraph. The hermit lived in a wood. Wood means jungle, which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. Here, the meaning of digging is to turn up soil with spade. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. Now, students, we will see in the next paragraph that king is going to ask the 3 questions again to that hermit. Now please concentrate on the next paragraph. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer three questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? See, here the meaning of affairs is things, matters, or business. In the picture, you can see that the hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. So here the hermit says to the king, thanks, giving the king his spade, then he sat down on the ground. Page number 10 is going on, first paragraph. When the king had dug two beds, he stopped and repeated his question. So students, the meaning of beds is small patches of ground for plants. The hermit gave no answer, but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade, and said, now you rest and let me work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me, and I will return home. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. In this paragraph, we can see that hermit is not ready to answer the questions of king, but instead of answering the questions, he points out to the person who is running towards them. Students, here the first part is over. So before starting the second part, we will see the comprehension check. So first of all, I would like to read the first question. Why did the king want to know answers to three questions? So answer of this question is, the king wants to know answers to three questions to avoid failure in his life. Second question. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. So four options are given there. First one, to fetch wise men. Second, to find answers to the questions. Third, to look for the wise hermit. And fourth, to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. So here the second option is right, that is to find answers to the questions. So students, in this way we have completed the comprehension check of the first part. Thank you very much.